Welcome to today's video, everyone. We're talking about potential severe weather coming up this week and heavy rain too. So let's get started, everybody. All right, everyone. This is for Wednesday, March 4th. Everyone, we get potential severe weather in Oklahoma, Arkansas, a little Texas too. We can see also. Then we can see also on there. It's in the yellow. That means it's a 15% in the range right now for it, for the probability convective outlook, everybody. So let's see like the storm cap and things. Let's get into that, everybody, in the radar projections too for this. All right, everyone, got Wednesday, March 4th at 7 a.m. Everybody, we can see got our radar here. We have rain up in Ohio. We have rain up in Indiana, Illinois, Missouri, Iowa too. We can see Wisconsin, even Michigan too. Then we have some rain down in Arkansas too. We can see on there, and a little of Oklahoma and Kansas too. We can see on there also. All right, Wednesday at 10 a.m. we got some heavier rain in Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Missouri too. We can see Iowa, Wisconsin, Kansas, Oklahoma, Arkansas too. We can see on there too. Then we can see rain up in Pennsylvania too on there. Then rain up in parts of New Jersey scattered. Wednesday at 1 a.m. we got rain in Ohio, rain in Indiana, Illinois, Missouri, Arkansas, Oklahoma, and Texas too. And rain in Iowa too, and Wisconsin too. You can see. Then we could see our storm starting to form down there at 4 p.m. on Wednesday. Everybody, we can see looks like some storms down in Arkansas, Texas, Oklahoma area, and we got looks like Missouri too. Then we got some scattered rain up in Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, Wisconsin. We got rain Michigan, Iowa too. We can see in Pennsylvania too. We can see also in New York. We got some rain. Okay. Wednesday at 7 p.m. we can really see our storms down there are starting to fire really up a lot. You can see in Arkansas, Texas, Oklahoma, and little Missouri too. Then we got rain up in Indiana, Ohio, Illinois, Iowa, Wisconsin too. We can see on there. Also, we got some rain up in New York, in the New England states. We got some rain too. You can see. Then we got Wednesday at 10 p.m. We could have some heavy rainfall from these storms too, potentially on Wednesday. Then we got rain up in Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Michigan area, Pennsylvania, New York. And we can see Texas too. We got some storms. Missouri a little too. Then Illinois, we got some rain. Indiana, Michigan, Wisconsin, New York, and the New England states too. Okay, Thursday at 1 a.m. we can see we got some heavier rain in Missouri. Got some rain in Ohio, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio too, Wisconsin, Michigan, Iowa. We got some rain in New York and the New England states too. We can see on here too. Also, we got. Then we can see in Michigan we could have some freezing rain potentially too for Thursday at 1 a.m. Okay, so let's look at our storm cap, everyone, after this. So this is 4 a.m. on Thursday. We could have heavy rain in New York, some freezing rain up in the upper New England states, Maine, and Michigan. We could have some freezing rain too. Get some rain in Ohio. Get some rain in Indiana. Get some rain in Kentucky. We could have some potential storms down in Missouri too. We can see in Arkansas too, in Kentucky and Tennessee too. So let's move on to our storm cap now. Alright, so we're going to talk about a storm cap throughout the day on Wednesday, so potentially. So we could have 1,000 storm cap, 700 in some places, 300 up in Missouri, a few hundred in Arkansas, 800 in Oklahoma, 500. You can see in parts of Texas we got up to 1,200 cap, 700 in Louisiana. This is at 10 a.m. on Wednesday, everybody. We can see too on here. Then in Louisiana we could have 700. We could have Arkansas 100 to 200 in some spots at that time too. So let's see what it looks like later in the day. Okay, 1 p.m. on Wednesday. So we can see our storm cap is going up. We can have 1,400 in Texas, 1,500. So like for our environment for here, like pretty much like we could have some pretty like for early spring, we could have some pretty could have some more like I would say more like on the more like intense storms more here we could have for Wednesday. I would say 1,100 in some spots, 800 in Louisiana. Like the places are in the thousands. We could have more intense storms. We can see like the 13 to 1,500, then 200 in Louisiana, 700 up in Missouri too. We can see then we got some storm cap up in Indiana and Ohio, 200 and 100. We can see two on there. Okay, Wednesday at 4 p.m. We can see we got 1,500 in Texas, 1,400, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 500 in Louisiana, Arkansas a few hundred, 600, Missouri 300, Illinois 190, Indiana 146, 1,400 in Texas, 1,000 in Oklahoma, Louisiana 800, Florida 200. You can see in Ohio could have 100 storm cap too. Okay, 7 p.m. on Wednesday, we could have 1,300 storm cap in Texas, Arkansas 200, Missouri 300, Indiana 300, Indiana 100. Then we can see 600 in Louisiana too, storm cap. Then we can see places like Tennessee that's 200, Kentucky 100, and like the places that like up here can have maybe a potential thunderstorm, but it's not going to be probably really severe up there. We're more looking in this area like Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas. We're talking about that more. All right, by 10 p.m. on Wednesday, our storm cap really goes down. Got maybe 1,000 in some spots, 700, 300, 300. We're not gonna have many probably storms, but that means like the fuel in the air for storms. Everybody, that's what cap means. If you like for someone who doesn't know what it means, pretty much. Like higher the number, that means we can have a potential higher chance for like worse storms, and the ingredients are there. That means so. That'll be pretty much it for the cap. Let's see if there's anything else we gotta look at. Alright everyone, so we got our K index here. So this is where our best potential for storms. You can see we have really like high numbers here in the verdes. Like pretty much this is like a higher chance for more storms you could have. Got even in Illinois too. Probably later down the road with the Storm Prediction Center, we could have maybe even up here, maybe potentially too. This don't count my word because this probably will change this model. So it's Sunday. This is for Wednesday. It's 4 p.m. Then we got 7 p.m. everybody on Wednesday. We can hold on 7 p.m. Our K index could be 40. Like that's really high. So that pretty much means like we have a higher chance for like more storms. Like it's like there like for heavier storms. This means pretty much. Then we got it in Indiana, Illinois. We can see even when there's a lot of rain, we could have this too. A lot of rain, a lot of storms. This means are coming soon. Can see. And 10 p.m. we still have in the verdes, have a higher chance for storms. Here we can see. Then this will be pretty much concluding this video, everyone, about the severe weather potentially on Wednesday, everybody. It just keeps going. If like the strengthens, I'll probably be making a video about this in a day or two, everybody. So stay tuned, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something new. Make sure to subscribe to the notification bell. You never miss a video like this, guys. Okay, guys. See you guys in the next one.